Welcome back to my channel. This is Maviji, Assistant Professor in English, Vellalar College of Education, Erode. Yeah, I'm here with an interesting topic that is augmented reality. I hope you're all familiar with this particular topic because while seeing that image itself, you can get an idea. The people have seen all these things already, right? I hope that in that movie, Jeans, Aishwarya Rai, yeah, do you remember that now? That augmented reality. It's a reality based display. Okay, so let me explain all those things one by one. This is augmented reality. So, what's augmented reality? Augmented, actually, this technique has been introduced in the year 1992 itself, and even now it has become famous. And what is it actually? It's a type of interactive reality based display environment. So, kindly just have a glance again. It's a type of interactive reality based display environment. It takes the capacities of computer generated display, sound, text, and effects to enhance the user's real world experience. It can give the user a real world experience with different types of interactive, which is reality based. So the users can experience that reality. Okay, the technology and this particular augmented reality, this particular technology made the students to have the experience of reality. Okay, and why, what, how it should be used, what is it actually? It's a combination of real and computer based scenes or images. It's a combination of real and computer based images superimposed to deliver a unified but enhanced view of the world. In that given image, you can see that, you can feel that. Okay, it's a computer based scene. Okay, it's a combination of both real and computer based image. Okay, it is similar to the widely used technologies such as filters in Snapshot, Instagram, and so on. We people are familiar with all those things, right? So recently Google has brought back dinosaurs in real life. Hope you have came to know all those things, right? So this is what that augmented, this is the best example, and this is the great achievement of our people, right? And now the usage of augmented reality in various fields. What are the fields are using this particular technique, this augmented reality? It has been used in so many fields, right? Let me list out all those things. And now in industries such as engineering, manufacturing, space exploration, commonly use AR. So all these fields, that is engineering, manufacturing, space exploration, all these fields are commonly using this augmented reality. And it has also been used in the field of medicine and for patient education and physician training to surgical visualization, that is in order to get a demo, in order to learn something, in order to do a trial pack. So these things are being used in augmented reality. And now it is also used in the field of entertainment, in gaming, military, and defense, in tactical mapping also. And what is the use of this augmented reality in education? Yeah, we can agree that it has been used in various fields, industries, medicines, whatever it is. But in education, what is the role of this AR in education? In education also, it plays a vital role. Let me explain that also. So AR in education is surging in popularity in schools worldwide, where it improves the outcome and increases the engagement. And AR and similar technologies such as virtual reality are becoming more popular in education. It can turn out to be a very exciting and useful interventions that will change the education system, and it can materialize the abstract concept to help the students to visualize and understand challenging subjects. In a traditional classroom, the teachers can read or they can involve themselves in the lecture method, and the students usually, if the teacher adopts the lecture method, it will be a one way communication. The students may understand and they may not understand also. But here, if you are showing, if the students are insisting to visualize some image, surely they can easily understand. Simply oral, oral communication, it will stay back when compared to visual, right? So not just about elementary education, it also transforms that higher education and training system too. And requirements for AR classroom. If we want to use this technique in your classroom, what the requirements? Yeah, the first thing is a minimal AR setup for almost any class may include an internet connection. The basic thing is that internet connection, and then mobile devices like smartphones or tablets, whatever it is. It may be a tab or a smartphone. Either tab or smartphone you can use for this technique, and it especially designed for education, and some triggers or markers also should be used there. Okay, so if you want to use this particular technique in your classroom, you must be filled with resources such as internet connection and mobile devices, either smartphone or tablet, and that apps, AR apps also we are having, right? So that the triggers or markers, all these things are the basic requirements. And now, what are the benefits of augmented reality in education? If you people are using this AR in education, what are all the benefits? So here the teachers can enhance the classroom experience. Yes, of course, the first thing is the teachers can give a good experience to the students, and they can make use of so many skills, and it enriches the interest of the students also. In learning, the students must involve themselves, right? So this AR, it helps the students to get greater involvement and interest in their content. Okay, and it is increasingly being adopted in educational settings, often to help students with complicated subjects. Even the complicated topics can be handled easily and interestingly with this technique. Okay, and now accessible learning materials. What are the learning materials? Special equipments, then engagement and interest, and improved collaboration. What are all these things? The first thing is AR, that is this augmented reality, has that potential to replace the textbooks. Yeah, if you are showing everything as a visual image, then what is the need for the textbook? So accessible learning material? No, the learning materials are no need, because the AR can replace all those textbooks. And special equipments for this thing, no need of any special equipments. There is a need of only the smartphones or tablets, or along with the hardwares. Okay, along with the hardwares and softwares, that is enough. Then coming to the higher student engagement and interest. So for this thing, what we have to do, that interactive AR learning can have significant positive impact. Yes, of course, surely this technique will make a great impact on the students, and that improved collaboration capabilities. So how it improved the collaboration? Because it offers a vast opportunity for the students. Okay, for all kind of students, it provides a vast opportunity. Okay, so with this thing, the students can easily collaborate, they can easily do that teamwork also, and a faster and more effective learning process. Yeah, it helps the students to give better result when compared to the conventional classroom. And practical learning is, it's 100% true, that is the students can get the practical learning, and they can understand all the concept logically also. The next one is safe and efficient workplace training. And here neither lot of money is risked nor people were put in damage or danger. So it is a safe, it is the safe and efficient workplace training. And the last one is, it's universally applicable to any level of education and training. So it does not create any damage or danger. So it has been universally applied, it has been universally accepted also. And what are the major challenges? Even it has so many merits, so many benefits for the students as well as the teachers, it has some challenges also. The first thing is lack of necessary training. So if you want to use this AR, if you want to good enough, you should be, if you want to be an expert in this AR, you must be have enough training, otherwise you couldn't catch this thing, you couldn't handle this thing properly. And then hardware, for each, and you have to depend on the hardware for each and everything. You can't move more than that. Whatever has been programmed, you have to obey that, you have to use up to that level. So for each and everything you have to depend on the hardware. And the third one is that portability issues. There could be issues in providing projections and information. So these are the three things we are lacking while using this augmented reality. So it's better we can make use of, we can aware of all these techniques, and we can implement these things in our teaching as well as learning to make our teaching learning process more effective. So let me meet you in an with another interesting topic in the next class. Thank you so much.